Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My Love from Lizi October 2023 card kit just arrived and it is packed full of crafty goodies. The kit is called Better Together. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or any of the add-ons I show in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included in the kit. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have black, yellow, and alcohol marker friendly white, mint green, and a light craft color. There are 2 sheets of 12 by 12 pattern paper. One side has cut aparts and the other is pattern paper. This first sheet has 3 by 4 and 4 by 6 size cut aparts with sentiments and images. The second sheet has lots of fun images that you can fussy cut out. If you're not into fussy cutting, you can always flip it over and use the design on the other side. There are lots of great images you could use to create a fun scene on your card. For pattern paper this month, it's 6 by 6 inches in size. You'll receive 12 sheets and these are all double-sided. You'll receive 2 of each sheet, so you don't have to choose which side is your favorite. I'll flip over the last 6 sheets so I can show you all 12 different designs. We have some houses, some adorable cats, a sheet with lots of people. Here's a design with lots of different dogs. This sheet has the same cut aparts that are included on the 12 by 12 cut apart sheet, just a smaller scale. Again, if you don't want to use those cut aparts, you can flip it over and use the pattern on the back side. This next sheet has a fun design inside a house, plants hanging down, and a couch. Here's a sheet with lots of different frames. You could put a sentiment on the inside and trim those out. There are several different tone-on-tone patterns. Those are always nice to mix in with the busier patterns. There's a sheet with a large tree, a neighborhood, and a couple more tone-on-tone designs. The next item is a sheet of cork. It's thin and flexible, and it is self-adhesive. If you remove the release paper on the back side, there's all the adhesive, and it's super sticky. According to Lizi, you can die cut out of this cork sheet, so that'll be really fun. The next items are card bases with coordinating envelopes. They all have a pretty pearlescent finish, and both the envelope and the card base have that pretty pearlescent finish. The largest envelope and card base are a pretty silver color. The next 2 are the same size, one in ivory and one in cream. And all 3 of the card bases are pre-scored, so they're easy to fold. And if you're not a fan of using the specialty cardstock as card bases, you could cut them up, use them for die cutting, or adding some pretty accents to your card. The next item is a sheet of sentiment stickers. There are 5 different colors, and they coordinate beautifully with the pattern paper. I think many of the sentiments would work better in a scrapbook or planner. We have Everyday Life, Together Forever, Welcome Home, Our Perfectly Imperfect Family. We have Aunt, Uncle, Grandma, Grandpa, and lots more. The peel-offs this month are the Sway design in Ice Mirror Blue color. There are 3 different sizes on the sheet. They have a fun wavy design. Here's a look at the stamp set this month. There are 2 sentiments. We have Family and Home Sweet Home. Several different images. There's a cat, a dog, a house, a few flowers, and also a leaf. Lizi's included several wooden pieces. There are 2 bicycles. Get these out of the bag. And you could use the bicycles facing either direction. It doesn't make a difference. When using the wood pieces, you could use them as is, or you can decorate them with different mediums. One of my favorite ways is to do heat embossing on them. There are also 9 houses, and these are all different. One side has a little bit of an etched detail, and the other side is plain, but you could use either side. These would be fun to use for a welcome to the neighborhood or new home card. One of the houses looks like a church, another one looks like an old schoolhouse. I really like the variety of different house styles. Next we have the ephemera pack. There are 2 different sizes of banners. I'll go through the larger banners first. Most of them have an image. Some have a decorative frame where you could add a sentiment or image. And you can also flip them over. There is a pattern on the back side, and it also has the little hand-drawn white border. There's a fun variety of images. We have a house, beautiful flowers, a baby buggy, an adorable little cat. This one has just the frame. The pink with the 3 kitties is my favorite. There's also a yellow one with 3 different dogs. Here's a single dog, another baby buggy, a couple more houses, another dog, cat, and a pink design with just that frame. There are also some narrow banners. On the back side, there's a tone-on-tone pink stripe style, so you can always use that side. We have a house, another baby buggy, florals, a cat, a tone-on-tone design with little circles. There's a couple that go horizontal instead of vertically. One has trees, there's a couch, and the final banner has a sweet little dog at the bottom. There are 5 dies this month. We have a decorative cat, a silhouette of a dog, 2 different sizes of paw print, and the word meow. Even if you don't own a cat or a dog, this is the perfect kit for making a card for that friend that has pets. There's a nice variety of colors, perfect for masculine or feminine cards. Lizi likes to include some non-traditional card making items. This month she's added a chain. You'll receive 1 meter. She thought it was perfect to go along with all the dog images. And in a minute here, I'll show you some other items that'll work with that chain. There are 4 other ribbons. You'll receive 1 meter each. 2 have a pretty silver mirror. The other 2 have paw prints, 1 in brown and 1 in black. I really like the look of the ribbons. The shiny silver mirror ribbon will add a beautiful detail to the cards, and the paw print ribbon is adorable. The next item works with the metal chain. It's a bag of metal charms. You'll receive a total of 12. It's hard to see all the detail on the charms, but at the end of the video I do have a close-up picture. There are 5 different hearts. 2 have a paw print, 1 has the sentiment thank you. There's a cat sitting in a window, a birdhouse with a tiny bird on top, acorns, a star, a bone, an envelope with a little heart, and also a cat laying down. Lizi's also included a bag of jewelry pieces to attach the charms to the chain. The bag includes lots of jump rings, 2 lobster claws, and there's another little attachment so you could make a necklace or a bracelet. For embellishments this month, Lizi's included a sheet of small silver gem stickers. So that's almost everything that's included in the October kit. I didn't realize 1 item had rolled away. The kit also includes a silver gel pen. This is perfect for adding little highlights to the images, or you could write a sentiment if you like your handwriting. I did receive a few add-ons. The first add-on is more pattern paper that coordinates with the kit, although it is different pattern paper. This is the Better Together 6x8 pattern paper pack. It includes 12 double-sided sheets. I'll go through the designs quickly so you can get an idea of what's included. I love the mix of busy and tone-on-tone patterns. And the colors and designs work beautifully with the pattern paper that's included in the kit. I love having the larger 6x8 size. You can cut it in half to create 2 backgrounds for an A2 size card if the panels are 5 1/4 by 4 inches. The next add-on is a heavyweight 6x6 paper pad called Silver Bundle. This is similar to a previous bundle she released that had the copper finish. This time it's all silver. There are 2 of each sheet and you'll receive a total of 12 papers. And these are really thick heavyweight papers. The first 2 have this beautiful marbleized look. One in white, the other in black, and look at all that gorgeous silver foiling. The next two sheets are silver mirror. Then we have some silver pearlescent. Next we have silver glitter. And this is a very different glitter paper. It's smooth, none of that glitter comes off. The final two papers are a silver satin mirror cardstock. The similar cardstock bundle in copper that Lizi released, I believe last month, sold out right away. So if you're interested in the silver bundle cardstock, I would suggest not waiting. Next up we have the two peel-off bundle packs. There's a variety bundle and also a pinstripe bundle. The set on the left is the variety bundle. It includes silver moon dust in straight, rose gold mirror in pinstripe, heart borders in silver, and mink in straight. The pinstripe pack includes black, lemon glitter, teal mirror, and clear iridescent pink. Lizi's released a new stitched shape die set. I'm showing two of them only because I didn't receive the labels last month. The new set is tags, and the set on the right is the label set. Both sets have the fun faux stitching, and I love how Lizi's included so many dies on one set. There are 14 dies on the label set and 10 on the tag set. So really nice variety to fit on your cards or projects. I also received two die sets. I'll take them out of the bag so you can get a better look. The single die is called Angel Dog. The other one is called Angel Cat, and it also includes a small butterfly die. And there are several other die sets that are part of the release if you want to check them out. The final add-on I received is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. This is always one of my favorites. There are 6 sheets. It includes white, chocolate brown, silver, teal, cream, and a pretty light pink. The cardstock has a beautiful shimmery pearlescent finish on one side and it's white on the other. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's October 2023 card kit called Better Together. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or any of the add-ons, I do have links provided in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe, and I do have subscription information in the description box. Coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.